The Supreme Court of the United States hearing oral arguments today on the reinterpretation of the 14th Amendment and the idea of naturalized citizens or birthright citizenship, which we've needed to have this conversation for a long time. You cannot be an illegal alien that comes here 9 months pregnant, walks over the border and says, boom, I have a kid. Now they're a U.S. citizen. They're an anchor baby. I'm not allowed to leave. They're, welcome aboard. Now we just have to stay here and bring the entire family. That's not how this was intended to be whatsoever, like at all. And in fact, to the sum of near 250,000 births a year in the United States that are considered quote unquote anchor babies or birthright citizenship from parents that are not U.S. citizens. It says, Section 1, very easily, and which is, I'm so glad because this is the focus the court case from the Trump administration is actually focusing on. All persons born or naturalized in the United States, comma, and this is the second part, and subject to the jurisdiction thereof are citizens of the United States and of the state where they reside. Now, the main focus usually is all persons born or naturalized in the U.S. are U.S. citizens. They forget that whole comma second portion of that because if you're here illegally and you are not subject to the jurisdiction thereof because you're not supposed to be here in the first place, that doesn't constitute you to have a kid that is automatically a U.S. citizen. Doesn't work that way.